everyone, my name is Susan with Sozabella Beauty, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a hydrating facial scrub for sensitive and dry skin, so stay tuned. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you'd hit the like button and also subscribe. And when you do, make sure you hit the bell. That way you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Sozabella is all about beauty in body, soul, and spirit, inside and out beauty. I'll be covering health and beauty tips, fun DIY recipes, and also interviewing people in the health and beauty space. I've also been a licensed esthetician for over 20 years, so I will definitely be sharing with you things I've learned in the industry. So hit that bell and let's get to it. So today it is a hydrating facial scrub for sensitive and dry skin, also works for normal skin, and it only requires 2 ingredients. That would be oatmeal and honey. So I'm sure you probably already have it in your kitchen pantry. The reason why I chose oatmeal is it's very soothing and calming to the skin and will also act as our manual exfoliation to help slough off the dead skin cells. Honey is full of vitamins and minerals and antioxidants to help fight against free radical damage on the skin. It's also a natural humectant, which pulls moisture to the skin. Even when you wash it off, it's still acting as that humectant to hold moisture into your skin, so it's very hydrating. So what I've done already is I took a couple tablespoons of oatmeal and ground it up in the blender and or bullet and made it into a nice fine powder, okay? And so what we're gonna do, this is so simple, go ahead and take 1 heaping teaspoon I should say, okay? 1 heaping teaspoon of your oatmeal that's been ground up, and then 1 level teaspoon of your honey. So this is just so easy and it's gonna save you so much money. I mean, I love buying products, I love buying high-end products, but I also love doing fun DIY recipes that are pure and that are effective. So that is basically it. So now we're gonna go ahead and mix this up. Gotta blend it in here. And you just want to get it really blended together first. And by the way, while I'm mixing this up, you can use this on your skin, your neck, your décolleté. You can use it on the back of your arms and the back of your hands, wherever you feel like you just want to get rid of that, slough off that dead skin cells and make your skin glow and help your moisturizers and your serums and all of those things work better. I would recommend doing this 1 or 2 times a week for sensitive skin. Once you mix it up, it's gonna be pretty thick, all right? Let me show you. So, there you go. Can you see that? It's pretty thick, it's a thick paste. And so what you're gonna do now when you use this is you wanna wash your face first. You wanna keep your skin slightly moist. I'll just wet it with a little bit of water, and then you're going to apply it. For today's example, I'm gonna just use the back of my hand. I don't have it wet. So you can do this, but for sensitive skin, I would not, because if you don't use the water and have your skin slightly moist, it's gonna grab your skin and it's gonna give it a little bit more intense exfoliation. So that's why I'm suggesting to add the water to your skin first if you have really sensitive skin. And then what you're gonna do is go ahead and just massage it in circular motions on the area that you're wanting to exfoliate. And just do that for about 1 or 2 minutes, and then that's all you do. And then just rinse that off with warm water. And then go ahead and follow up with your serums, your moisturizers, and your sunscreen. All right, and that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoy it. It's a fun little DIY that you can do super quick from your kitchen, save a bunch of money, and use pure, healthy ingredients for your skin. So I will see you next time, and make sure you hit that bell. Thanks again.